So good afternoon, ma'am. This is my final activity in Statistical Techniques in Research, presented by Fernando Jose A. Castro, CREAM 3A. So the title, The Differences Between the Average of Grade 3 Students in Mother Tongue and English at Bagong Buhay Elementary School. Statistical tools used is paired t-test. The hypothesis is, for null hypothesis, there is no differences between the average of grade 3 students in Mother Tongue and English at Bagong Buhay Elementary School. And for our alternative hypothesis, there is a differences between the average of grade 3 students in Mother Tongue and English at Bagong Buhay Elementary School. So for our given, we have here the level of significance 0.05, T critical 1.761, T computed 1.15, and one-tailed t-test. The formula for the paired sample t-test is test of significance, mean of differences, and standard deviation. So I gather 15 respondents. So our N should be 15. So our mother tongue would be our X sub 1. Our English is X sub 2. So ilalagay lang natin yung average nila 83, 79, 80, 83, 80, 80, 86, 84, 84, 81, 83, 81, 85, 82. 82, 80, 79, 82, 80, 80, 87, 85, 85, 82, 81, 83, 84, 84, and 85. So, for the submission of D, ma-minus lang natin, X sub 2, si English kay Mother Tongue. So, 82 minus 83, 1. 80 minus 79, 1. 79 minus 80, negative 1. 80 minus 83, negative 1. 80 minus 80, 0. 80 minus 80, 0. 87 minus 86, 1. 85 minus 82, 3. 85 minus 84, 1. 82 minus 84, negative 2. 81 minus 81, that would be 0. 83 minus 83, 0. 84 minus 81, 3. 84 minus 85, that would be negative 1. And 85 minus 2, that would be 3. So, squared lang natin sa submission of D squared. So, we have here 1 squared 1, 1 squared 1, 1 squared 1, and so on. So, sa total ng ating submission of D, so, i-plus muna natin lahat ng positive 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3, that would be 12. Minus 5, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus negative 1, that would be 5. So, 12 minus 5, 7. So, yung submission of D natin ay 7. So, dito naman sa submission of D squared, ganun din, ipa-plus mo lang din lahat. So, makukuha natin dyan ay 38. So, una natin ginawa, dinetermine natin yung mean of differences. So, that would be mean of differences equals total of submission of D over N. So, yung nakuha natin dito, 7, diba? 7 divided by N. So, 15 yung N mo. So, that would be 7 divided by 15, 0.47. Kasi sabi ni ma'am, i-round off lang ng dalawa. So, for our standard deviation, submission of D squared minus D squared divided by N over N minus 1. So, that would be 38 minus 7 squared divided by 15. So, yun muna i-distinguish mo. Divided by 15 minus 1. That would be square root of 38 minus 3.2666667 divided by 14. So, yung sagot doon is 34.73333333 divided by 14. So, hindi pa rin natatanggal si radical. So, that would be 2.4809583895. Square root mo lang yan para matanggal si radical sign. So, yung standard deviation natin ay 1.57, 10392703. So, our standard deviation is 1.58. So, for our test of significance, to find our T computed, so, we will use the test of significance formula. So, T is equals to mean of differences minus the null hypothesis over standard deviation square root of n. So that would be 0.47 minus 0 over 1.58 square root of 15. So 0. Pagpapalit natin si 15 sa 0. So that would be 0.47 square root of 15 divided by 1.58. So meron tayong 1. Pag dinivide, inano natin to, 0.47 square root of 15 sa calcu, makukuha natin ay 1.8203201727 Tapos, divide ulit natin sa 1.58. So, that would be 1.15208998273 or your T computed pag ni-round off ay 1.15. So, for your decision, since the T computed is less than our T critical, we need to accept the null hypothesis. So, we can conclude now, for our conclusion, that there is no differences between the average of grade students at Bagong Buhay Elementary School. So, this is the proof of gathering data at Bagong Buhay Elementary School gathered from grading sheet of a teacher. So, this is the end of my presentation. Again, thank you so much. Salamat po.